morning, dear students. I welcome all the MCOM first semester Indian Financial System subject students to the Unit 3 ending part. The concept name is the role of IRDAI in regulating the insurance industry. I am Dr. K.V. Somnath, Assistant Professor, GS College of Commerce, Vartha. First of all, let us know what is IRDAI. The full form of IRDAI is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. It is an abbreviation which stands for the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. It is an authority that acts as a regulatory board for the insurance sector industry in India and supervises the functioning of the life insurance as well as the general insurance companies which are operating in the country. IRDAI has set various rules and regulations for the operation of the insurance industry. Its sole objective is to defend the interests of the policyholders and grow and evolve the insurance industry as a whole. IRDAI regularly issues notices to insurance companies in case there are any changes in the rules and regulations. It leads the insurance companies to foster efficiently in the conduct of insurance business and control the rates or any other charges related to the insurance. Let us know what is this Act, IRDA Act. The IRDA Act provides a complete regulation of the insurance sector in India. A committee was established by the Government of India to examine the structure of the insurance sector and to advocate revisions to the rules and regulations to make it more effective and efficient. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority was presented in the Parliament in 1999. The bill was discussed and debated before it finally became the IRDAI Act of 1999. Now, what are the objectives of IRDA? The primary objective of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority is to implement the provisions under the Insurance Act. The mission statement of IRDA is to safeguard the interests of the policyholder and ensure his or her fair treatment, to govern the insurance industry impartially, and to make sure the financial sanity of the industry remains intact, to routinely formulate regulations to ensure the insurance industry functions without any uncertainty. The role of IRDA: protecting the interests of the policyholders, assisting in advancing the growth of insurance industry in an organized manner for the benefit of the common man, grant, renew, revoke, modify or suspend the registration certificate of an insurance company, safeguard the policyholders in matters concerning the grant of policies, settlement of a claim, selection of a nominee by the policyholder, surrender policy value and other such terms and conditions of the policy, provide long-term funds to accelerate the nation's economy, enforce high standards of integrity and competency among the policy providers, ensure genuine claims are settled efficiently, prevent malpractices and policy frauds by providing a grievance redressal forum for policyholders, promote fairness and transparency of insurance in financial markets, to build a reliable management system in order to ensure high standards are maintained and financial stability is observed by the policy providers, take appropriate actions when high standards are not maintained, to ensure an optimal level of self-regulatory is maintained in the insurance industry. What are the functions of IRDA? IRDA, known to be the apex body of the insurance sector, ensures that it frames rules and regulations without any uncertainty or ambiguity towards any insurance company. To ensure the integrity and financial soundness of the industry, the primary work of the IRDA involves around the interest of the policyholder. Let us catch a look at the various roles of the IRDA in which the IRDA is mainly involved. Number 1, to issue the certificate of registration to new insurance companies. Second, to establish rules and regulations to take care of interests of the policyholders. Number 3, to monitor all claims are settled in a fair manner and no claim is denied by the insurance company under their free will. To regulate The code of conduct of the insurance company and of those associated with the insurance industry is the fourth functioning. The fifth one is addressing the issues and providing solutions in case of disputes which are arisen via the ombudsman of IRDA. Sixth one, to regulate and control the rate of insurance to impede undesirable and superfluous price hikes in insurance premiums which might cause distress to the policyholder. Seventh one, the IRDAI is also accountable for setting a minimum percentage limit of insurance companies for both life insurance and general insurance, consequently developing both the rural as well as the urban sectors of the country. Last one, the IRDA is also responsible for granting licenses to insurance agents. It issues licenses to individuals to clear the required exam. It was integrated with the IRDA regulations and comprised of the rules for applying and acquiring an insurance agent license. The features and benefits of IRDA. The IRDA Act acts as a regulatory body for the insurance industry, safeguards the interests of the policyholders. Rules and regulations are established by IRDA under Section 114A of the Insurance Act of 1938. IRDA has the authority to grant certificates of registration to new insurance companies who wish to operate in India. IRDA oversees the activities of the insurance industry to guarantee persistent development of both the insurance company and the policyholder. IRDA can control and regulate insurance rates, terms and conditions, advantages which are offered by the insurance providers to the policyholders. IRDA also undertakes inspections and conduct audits of insurance companies, mediator parties and other organizations who are associated with the insurance business to keep an eye for malpractices and safeguard policyholders against frauds. IRDA can specify the code of conduct, training and qualifications for the insurance agents. These are all what today I would like to drag your attention towards the context of Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India IRDAI with reference to the various emerging issues in the field of insurance sector of the country. With this, I take from you leave. Thank you very much. All the best.